Meanwhile, a retired policeman is being tagged as behind an ambush in Fairview, Quezon City. This morning, 2 persons were wounded in the incident. Bernard Tan reports.
2 people were badly hurt after being ambushed in one part of Tuliahan in Fairview, Quezon City early this morning. The car that the victims used was shot several times using high-caliber firearms. Victims were identified to be Sharina Valle, daughter of an ex-PNP colonel, and Fred Auy, also a close relative of the ex-colonel. The driver of the victims and husband of the ex-colonel's daughter luckily survived the ambush and did not inflict any injuries. He said that the gunmen were 2 unidentified males who went down a certain SUV. Retired Colonel Egliserio Navarro, father of Sharina, believes that the mastermind of the ambush is also a retired police, only identified by the name of Sergeant Castillo. He said that the motive for the crime was because of an unsettled death by his daughter from loan sharks.
Mga bataan daw may Castillo ko. Castillo? Police yata. Retired daw yun. Baka kaya na mag-hire ng killer. Impact, may natuto pa sa bahay ko yan.
Saan yung mga binabanggit nyo? Ano po ba yan? Militar o PNP?
Retired. PNP.
Luckily, the doctors reported that the victims are now in stable condition. Meanwhile, retired Colonel Egliserio Navarro would like to leave this message for the suspects behind the ambush.
Ingat din siya. Baka makatabla rin kami kahit pa paano.
For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.